Rizoma type mirrors. My friend did, he painted it all black. My hand is numb. What I will try to do, I will try to renew and polish my headlight. So I'm going to buy some sandpaper and some other polishing products. Hello guys, so it's been quite a while since I worked on my Suzuki, but actually all technical part is all done. So everything what is left to be done is related to design. And I got some packages for it, so I will show you what I got. So the first thing is tank grips. So they look like this, very simple, very nice looking. The other thing, mirrors. I already told you that I was thinking what kind of mirrors should I put on my Suzuki, and I was leaning towards original ones more, but I don't know because I received Rizoma type mirrors, but they are without turn signal, so they are a bit shorter and smaller in size than what you saw in the last video on my friend's bike. So I will have to think of a way to put the turn signals on my bike. But I'm still debating, should I put these ones on or should I put the original ones, because I can show you. I have these ones right here. So what I would do, I would darken the turn signals a bit more, and also one of them is a bit damaged, as you can see in here. So what I decided to do, I will try to fix it, and if I will be able to do it, then I will put original ones. If I will not be able to do it, then I will use these ones instead. So I don't know, just have to wait and see. So the next thing I got is these engine covers, so the bike will be more protected, so that's super great. And the last thing is this headlight cover, so I will use it when I go on the track days. And that's pretty much it with the packages. And also, if you watched my older videos, you already saw that I put this bar end on my bike just on the one side of it, and on the other one I want to put just a simple slider. And my old ones look like this. They were all blue, they are all blue, and I knew for sure that I will not use them because of my new bike's design, because there will be no blue color on it. But I love these ones because this middle part is moving. It's a bit hard to show with one hand, but it's very comfortable to ride the bike when it's moving, so it's more comfortable to, you know, move the hand. So what my friend did, he painted it all black. So now I will not have to put it to the bin or sell it. I just can reuse it. I don't know how long the paint will last, but we will just have to wait and see. But now I think I will just put it on the bike. So first thing I'm going to do, I will grease the bolt with this multi-purpose grease. So I will just do that. Okay, don't fall. Okay, maybe I need to put some gloves first.
Ебанько.
Ебанько. Okay, so I'll put a bit of it on the bolt. Film me now. Firstly, I have to find the right tool for it. This one seems to be okay. So it's so nice to finally see my bike coming all together. The plastics should come maybe next week. So that's the part I was waiting for the most. Private concert. My hand is numb. Very hard work. You can do this, Gerda. So the slider is already in and it looks just perfect. But the biggest work for today is what I will try to do. I will try to renew and polish my headlight. My friend already did that and I will show you how it looks in comparison. So this dirty one is of course mine, and that's how it should look in an hour. So I have plenty work to do, and my goal for today is make this one shine as new. Okay, so first thing I have to do is I have to unscrew these 3 bolts, and then I should use a heating gun and rip everything apart. Okay, so the bolts are off. Now let's find the heating gun. My hair dryer, as always. My friend helped me to take it all apart, and especially this part is very dirty, so I will try to clean it as much as possible and then see if it needs to be polished or not. I cleaned it as much as possible, but I can see that it's not looking very nice and as perfect as I want it to be. So I will be using this Headlight polish, and I will try to polish it a little. So unfortunately this part is very damaged, so for the perfect end result we have to use a sandpaper, but unfortunately we do not have it in here, so I think we will just continue with the work another day. Hello. So today is a different day, so I'm going to buy some sandpaper and some other polishing products for my headlight. And yesterday was actually quite an exciting day for me, because finally I received all the fairings for my Suzuki. So they're all black, so nothing interesting to show you guys. I brought them to Inoxa for the designers to do a new bikes design that I have in mind. So I should get them, I think, around the start of March. So I'm looking. Okay, my camera, don't move. So as I said, so I should get them at the start of March, so that's the start of the season for us, so that's just on time. Okay, so I am here, so just have to park my car. I will not bring you guys with me to the shop, because that will be very embarrassing for me to try to film in public places when I'm alone. So I will just show you everything when I get back. Okay, so the shopping experience was unsuccessful. I managed to get sandpaper, 3 different types of it, but my friend told me to get some kind of 3M paste, and they didn't have it here, so I think I will just go to the garage and we will try to figure something out without it. So I'm back in the garage. So firstly, what I will use 320 sandpaper. Mix it with a little bit of water just to make sure it works good. Okay, so with this sandpaper I'm already finished. So now I will use 1500 one. It's time for 2000, and I think I will finish with this one. So I'm all finished, so now it's time to try and polish it. So hopefully it will work and this thingy will shine as new. So the end result isn't finished. Why? Because we still need that free end page that I didn't get. So that's my fault. I still want the best result for it. So I think I will just leave this for a next video. So for this one, I think that's it. We have to end the video at this point because tomorrow I have to upload it. So I hope you still enjoyed it. So leave a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. I always love to read them all. And as always, kisses. Bye.